Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Chaudhary Hassan, and today I'm making a review of Virtuoso P1 playing cards. Well, these cards are designed for specifically cardistry, and now I'm going to open it. Let's see. Here it is, the plastic seal, like that. Okay, I actually just uh, just kind of destroy my deck. Okay, let's first see the box. Well, the box is designed with the matte color, and the design is really, I believe, elegant in black to white colors and some gray. Very elegant deck. On the side you can see the Virtuoso. On the other side it's just a V, Virtuoso's logo. And in the bottom you can read that these are designed in Singapore, made in USA, distributed, all details, and some barcode and Virtuoso logo. And this is the front of the box. You can see just a V logo and some design. On the back you guys can see the flap have some color, and in the bottom of the back you can see P1. On the top flap you can read Perspective series. This is, I believe, the P1 referring the perspective. These are the Perspective series. Now I'm going to open it, and on the flap you guys can see these are designed for cardistry, and there's some kind of design. From inside of the flap, only one side is black and other is white. On the black side you can see the P1, and other than that the box is no any print, just white. Okay, I just hold this first time, and I can tell you that these cards felt really different. Virtuosos always come with 4 ads card and with no jokers, and these are the 4 ad cards. Well, you can see the Perspective series, which was also on the top of this flap. Perspective series P1 Virtuoso, and some their website, and the right on the back side you can see some design, and here there is some things you guys can freeze and read it. This is also ad card. Okay, and other 2 cards, and he is before all things, and by him all things consist. And if you are going to join these 2 cards, it's make prism, like that. And on the back side I believe the design is just like this flap, exactly like in the top flap. And these are also the suits, as this card is designed for cardistry, so there are no spades, there are no any diamonds, hearts or clubs, but it has a different suits. You guys can say A, B, C, D. The A for arrows, yeah, B for blades, C for crown, you guys can see the crown shape, and D for diamonds. Now let's see this in detail. This is the first suit, arrow, the ace of arrow. Basically there is in the center you guys can see the prism in red. Okay guys, now let's see the other cards. This is the ace, then 2, and this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys can see these blades are increasing in quantity. Then this is 10. Well, the 10 in this text are in Roman numeral, so instead of 10 it's like X, J, then queens, then kings. Ace of arrows, basic blade, sorry, in like this is kind of some kind of red pinkish. This is the dark blue. 2, 3, 4, 5. And especially one thing more, all the 5s in this deck are half side, like one side is in Roman numeral and the other side is basically a number. Yeah, same you guys can see here. So only the 10s are in Roman numeral, and the 5s are half in number digit basically, and half is Roman numeral. 9, king, sorry, 10, Jack, Queen, King. King of Crown, Queen. I actually really like this design, and for cardists this is really going to help to make their cardistry and flourish make really good. 4, 3, 2 and ace. King of diamonds basically, queen. Then you guys can see all the cards. And the ace of diamond. Let's talk about the back design. It's in black and white, and actually I like this color, basically grayish black white design. Well, these cards handle really well, they fan actually really well. Okay, one hand cut, actually really awesome. About the Pharaoh Shuffle, let's see. It's so smooth and easily. One more time, let's see. Well guys, these cards are amazing for cardistry. If you are into cardistry and want to buy something which are specifically designed for cardistry, well, these are the decks. As in normal decks you guys can play on this, and in this card you cannot play as there are no those typical suits which are spades, clubs, diamonds. But these are really awesome, felt really good, they handle actually really good, they spread good. That's it guys, I hope you guys like this video. Bye, peace.